Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Goyle. I'm an aesthetic medicine doctor in Los Angeles, California. I practice PDO threads quite a bit. It's a pretty big part of my practice, and my preferred PDO thread is from WHITEROSE Global. I love this product. I've been using it for a while. I find these threads extremely reliable. They're very good quality and they always deliver results. Moreover, the customer service of the company is amazing. Whenever I place an order, it gets delivered in time. I really had no issues, and I highly recommend WHITEROSE Global as for PDO threads. They do offer smooth PDO threads and also the cogs. I've tried many brands from different providers, and I've always come back to WHITEROSE Global because, quite frankly, in my opinion, they are the best PDO threads out there.